Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Little rundown before this video starts. The sun's freaking setting. I'm a little behind schedule, so this hike is now turned into a freaking trail run. It's clear skies and there's literally no one here, and I don't think I've ever seen something so beautiful in my entire life. Look at this little sneak peek. Right now. This is real life. This is real life. This has got to be the coolest trail run of my entire life. Trail runs do not come better than this. This is freaking insane. Oh my gosh. You do not want to fall right here. This is so gnarly. This is so freaking epic. Oh my gosh. Are you freaking kidding me right now? What the heck? I'm in such a remote spot right now. There's freaking goats, mountain goats. Well, hello you guys. No need to run. This has got to be one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. I gotta get the freaking drone out. This is freaking insane. Drone's going up. Let's go. All to myself. Going down. 3, 2, 1. Well, that might have just been the most mind-blowing thing I've ever seen in my entire life, and the sun is set, it's starting to get dark. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was one of the most special hikes of my entire life, and wow, I feel very, very freaking lucky right now. Hope you liked this video. Roger out. See you in the next one, and wow again. Roger out.